Make sure I don't flush it. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you my favorite skincare products for oily to combination skin. Now these are my favorite daily products that I use during the day. So let's get started on the video. The first thing I like to use is either a micellar water, and I like to use the Bioderma Sensibo micellar water. This is really good if you have sensitive skin that's also oily. And I tried a few other micellar waters, and this micellar water along with Garnier micellar water are the only micellar waters that I use. And I use the blue one for my eyes because I don't want to use it on my face because I feel like I would have a reaction or it'll clog my pores. So I just use it for my eyes because it's really good on getting my makeup off. So this is what I use if I'm wearing mascara. And this is what I use if I'm wearing light foundation, concealer, or in the morning when my skin isn't oily, or when I wake up in the morning and my skin is oily. And then after that, I like to tone. I had it open and spilled. Okay, so I use the Humphreys Pure Organic Witch Hazel. And this does have alcohol, but it's gentle and it's non-drying. And I've noticed that it doesn't dry out my skin. Also, I like to use the Thayer's non-alcoholic rose toner. I cannot talk today. I like to use the Thayer's. I like how I said that because I have an accent and it sounds really country. Anyway, so I use the Thayer's non-alcohol toner as well. But I'm currently out of that one, and I just thought I would switch it up, so I'm using this one. And I really like this brand along with the Thayer's toner brand. And after I tone, I like to add my serums. So depending on how my skin is doing, if my skin isn't going through a current oily situation, I like to use the Potions. Where's the other serum? So I like to use the Potions Essence, and it is Glycotonomus. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to be leaving all the products in the description box. So if I mispronounced it, it's going to be written down because I'm pretty sure I butchered this. But I use the essence after my toner, and then I like to use serum. I like to use a peptide serum from the Potions, and this helps with your skin elasticity, and it helps with aging and makes your skin stay plump. And if I'm having oily skin issues, like my skin is a little bit too oily, I like to use the Ordinary's niacinamide 10% and Think 1%. And it's also good for mattifying your skin, absorbing oil, and it's good for breakouts. So I like to use this if I have tiny breakouts and my skin is too oily. And then after I use my essence and my serum, I like to use a moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I'm currently using is this Creamy Moisture Mist by Real Beauty. And I've noticed, it's kind of a little bit of a glare. And I've noticed that what is wrong with me today? I've noticed that this moisture mist doesn't clog my pores, and it leaves a really nice dewy finish on my face. And I'm currently wearing it now, and I just like the way it makes my skin glow during the day. And if I you guys, I'm one of those people that overthinks, and then when I'm thinking, my brain goes like rapidly, and then all of a sudden I start talking and my brain is going like boom, 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 and then my mouth can't keep up, and I start choking on my own words. Yeah, but that's me, overthinker. But anyway, so this is a moisture mist, and I've never used a moisturizing mist before that was specifically made for moisturizing your skin, unlike the other facial mist. So this is a little bit heavier than a regular facial mist, so that's why I use it as my last step when I really need to delete some videos because I have like no memory space. But I've noticed that this doesn't clog my pores, and I was actually a little bit nervous about using this, but my skin does not have any breakouts when I use this. And then the other moisturizer I like to use is the Embryolisse, their concentrated cream. This is a very popular French skincare moisturizer, and let's see, it's really good for priming and moisturizing your skin. You can also use it as a moisture mask. So in the wintertime, if you have any dry skin issues, use it for that. It smells like roses, and I like to use it. It smells so good. I like to use it when my skin is a little bit dry in some areas, but not completely dry, because I know it's not too heavy. It's very light, but this also doesn't clog my skin. And even though it's scented, it's made for people with sensitive skin, so I don't have any issues. So after I moisturize and all that, I like to, if I know that I'm going to be out in the sun, I like to use the Ordinary's Sun Care Mineral UV Filters SPF 30 with antioxidants, and it's a broad spectrum SPF mineral sunscreen. And I got this when I was in New York because there's no they don't have any of the Ordinary stores where I live, and every time I order anything from the Ordinary or try to order anything from the Ordinary online, it's always sold out. So when I go to the store, they pretty much have everything. And this is a very simple, non-scented sunscreen, and it is mineral sunscreen, and I'm still trying to figure out if I like it or not. I love the Ordinary's products, but I don't like sunscreens that leave like a white cast on your face. And I'll just show you what it looks like. It's a little bit brown in texture. I'm just for the sake of not wasting products, I'm going to put this on my skin because I don't want to waste it. But this is what it looks like. This is what I don't like about sunscreens. And the sunscreens that don't leave this, I have an allergic reaction to it. So I'm still trying to figure out what I should do. Well, I guess it's not too bad. I'm going to put on my birthmark. And I'm not going outside today, but I just don't want to waste this. Okay, I mean, I guess the thing is, unlike other sunscreen, it's not too bad. Like, it blends, as you can see, the white cast disappeared, and it doesn't feel greasy, which is one of the things that I hate the most. Like, I put on sunscreen, and then my face just looks like a grease ball afterwards, and then it doesn't mix well with my makeup if I'm doing makeup that day. But otherwise, I would say out of all the mineral sunscreens, this is one of my favorites. And there's some other ones that if you guys want me to do a sunscreen review for oily skin, let me know. And I will, because I've tried some other ones that I like. And this is the one I'm currently using. Well, that was all. That's my whole routine. This is what I do every day. And if you guys want to see me do my nightly skincare routine for oily skin or a weekly skincare routine, and that's more of the exfoliants, the mask, and the peels and things like that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day during this crazy quarantine time. I need to get outside more. It's been really rainy and cloudy, and it just doesn't put me in a good mood. Now that it's sunny, I really want to go outside. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below any recommendations if you guys have any products for oily skin that you think I should try out. And if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm growing my channel, and I really want it to grow. And if you guys can subscribe, that would really support me, and I would appreciate it. And I would make more videos because I would have, and then I would have people that are actually watching my videos and I don't feel like I'm talking to myself. So please, that would be really helpful. And I hope you guys have a great day. I need to stop rambling. Bye.